Brought to you by Healing Moringa Tree. Moringa, the miracle tree of life. Here at Healing Moringa Tree, we believe that growing moringa trees are an essential. The Moringa Homestead. Here's another one of our areas where we have moringa growing in hedges along with some other herbs and vegetables. Have some of our comfrey herb here. Next to that is a very large apple mint bush. We have found that apple mint does wonders at drawing in bees. We've literally had, I would say, 100 bees on this bush during the daytime, especially during the summer. They really like apple mint. They do not bother us. They go ahead and do their job at pollinating. So one thing we like to do is plant apple mint near our moringa trees. So far we haven't had any problem with pollination. The bees seem to really are drawn to the moringa flowers when the trees start to bloom. But if you are having problems with the drawing in bees, for some reason the apple mint, we noticed, does a lot better than a lot of the other herb plants that we grow here. Right here is pineapple sage. Has pretty red flowers. Makes a wonderful tea. Here's one of our green grapevines that we kind of have going along the brick wall here. Here's another moringa tree. This tree is very bushy. This tree is actually about, I think it was last summer. We planted these last summer. They died back during the winter. And they grew and came up, so they grew pretty tall. They got up to about 8 feet. We cut them all the way down. You can see here we cut that pretty low. And within about 2 months, maybe not even that long, actually we just noticed we came back here and they were like, wow, the moringas had really bloomed and grew up. Once they get over a year, we like to cut them down pretty low, and then they come right back. So we cut this one down here, and now you can see it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 stems that came up. Look at all these beautiful leaves. Lovely. I can't stress more, if you want to plant something and you want to plant a lot of something, moringa trees are one of the #1 plants. We like to plant a lot of these. You never know when there might be a hunger situation going on, or if their food may become scarce. You can actually live off these trees. If there's no other food around, you can eat the leaves and actually sustain life. So we like to plant moringas pretty much all around. Here's some other moringa trees that we cut down to the stalk, and now they have grown up in about a month and a half, heading over the brick wall, which is about 6 feet.